Not a mosquito in sight. It just kind of sat for a couple of years while he decided what to do with it, and I got a text that kind of caught me off guard. You ready to see what I got you into here? Oh, it's so good. I'm still kind of pinching myself to say that this is ours. Hey everyone, and welcome back to DC MotorWerks. Today in front of me, we've got a 2007 Lamborghini Murcielago LP640 Roadster in this beautiful balloon white. If you've watched the channel for a while, you'll know that we do a lot of work on Murcielagos and Lamborghinis in general, and some of the other exotics as well. As you can see, we've got this one behind us as well. It is a gated coupe Murcielago, 2002 model, so a very early one with 103,000 miles. So stay tuned for that one because it is coming soon. Parts are on the way. But like I said, today is going to be the focus on this one here. And what makes this one extra special, other than it being a roadster and balloon white and all the other fun stuff, is it is our Murcielago. So this is our 2007 LP640 Roadster in balloon white. Like I said, I recently got my Lambo Master Belt from my good friend Ed Bolian at VinWiki. We always teased, and he knew that I had the itch that needed to be scratched, that I needed to own one of these Murcielagos. And with my best friend and my good partner, Andy Sumner, we both kind of drained our bank accounts and made this happen. He knew it was coming, so he was prepared. He always teased himself one day. He said one day he's gonna come to me and say that it is time. And it is that time, and I'm still kind of pinching myself. But as you know, we are mechanics here at DC MotorWerks, and this one does not come without its issues. And with that said, let's go ahead and start it up. So as you can see there, we have our work cut out for us. But for those of you that have a keen ear and eye, you can hear there's a little something extra to this Murcielago. And if you followed us for the last couple of years, you may recognize this car because this is the twin turbo balloon white Roadster. This car came to us a couple years ago and in pretty much this exact condition. And we went through it and told the client that, you know, it was definitely gonna need some engine work, as you can see there. It just kind of sat for a couple of years while he decided what to do with it. And I got a text that kind of caught me off guard. And he said, if you want the car, Cameron, I am kind of looking to get rid of it. So with some shrewd negotiation, good plug there from my good friend Ed, is that we met on a price that kind of emptied, like I said, emptied Andy and I's bank accounts, but it is gonna be a super exciting project, and we are excited to bring this to you guys. But before we dive into all the repairs and bringing this car back to its former glory, let's go ahead and look at what it is as of today. So the big concern also with these is getting the diameters right on the tires. Brake ducts, boot on the CV axles on both sides are leaking. We also have the front shocks with the lift system. You can see that one's starting to leak there at the fitting. One of the main leaks on these we see are these steering racks, mainly from this passenger side end seal. You have your torque tube. Sometimes you'll see these seals where they meet leak as well. And here is your E-gear pump. You can see it's leaking. This side of the oil pan is stripped. Also saw a big oil leak here in this corner. And that was just because someone had left the big oil cooler line loose, which is just like this one here. You can see how well laid out these cars are. Nothing is too terrible to get to. Difficulty is, see here, these cross members are part of the structure. So this is what prevents you from dropping the engine out the bottom, and why it takes such work to get it out the top, as you have to leave the transmission and everything here connected all the way up to the torque tube. So you have to get a really steep angle on the engine to get it out. You can see it is that beautiful balloon white. It is on some aftermarket wheels, which actually the white and the bronze gold looks really good together. But we do have the factory wheels in the shop. We are going to have those refinished and mount some proper Pirelli tires because if you've seen our videos, you know that the all-wheel drive system on these is not forgiving to any tire but the factory Pirellis. Who knows why they did it that way, but that is the way it is. Here you can see the paint and everything really is in great shape and beautiful. We've got some old PPF on the rockers and on the front bumper that is kind of yellowing, so that will have to come off. And of course, like any low car, especially Murcielagos, the front bumper is torn up a little bit, so we will be taking care of that as well. All the body panels are straight. There are no major flaws in any of the paintwork, just kind of the bolt-on plastic stuff. You know, you got little scrapes here and there, but the main body is in great shape. Even the bat wings here still work, which is super exciting. The scissor doors don't try to chop your head off. So some of the normal Murcielago problems we see have already been addressed, but let's go ahead and take a drive in our Lamborghini Murcielago. Big old cloud. Hey buddy! Woo! Where'd you come from?
Jeez, I came here in a smoke cloud.
You just followed the cloud? You ready to see what I got you into here?
Let's see what we got involved with here.
I like your shirt.
Yeah, I blame Ed for this this decision.
I mean, look, it's got lights.
It's got 15,000 miles.
Yeah. Low miles.
Low miles, that's always good. How can you not like that?
You do like that? It makes a lot of noises. It's all right there. Can you imagine back in like 08, you know, you got your twin turbo Lambo, with your big wheels, and
man, I was first couple of years at my real job, first dealer, pull up in this thing.
All right, you ready for this? Pretty wild, isn't it?
Yeah, it pulls.
Gets a little grumpy, but it does pull. Like $4 grand, it gets kind of grumpy. Feel it?
I didn't feel it.
Kind of sputters.
Break up.
Yeah. Hear it there? Once you get through it, it'll really get after it. See, it's a real car.
It is. It's a whole car.
Yeah. It's not as bad as it seems, right? Dashing, peeling, everything's there. It's ceramic brakes.
I like ceramic brakes. There's no doubt about that.
We can ignore the warning lights on the dash. Those aren't important.
That's what we do, though. We fix that stuff. I know a guy.
Try the brakes. Oh, it stops.
I think somebody's already checked that once.
Oh, what do you say? You want to give it a go?
Yeah.
How much oil do you think we just used?
Quart and a half.
Oh, okay. I just added 3.
Oh God. That's $60.
Yep. Ooh, seat's a little warm over here. Were you a little feeling something?
I had to get extra grip.
You remember how to drive one of these?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so good. You like those brakes, don't you?
Yeah, I love carbon ceramic.
See, that was worth draining our bank accounts, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, totally worth it. Yep.
The,
See, now you'll feel better when you see the rest of it.
The PNC hasn't set in yet.
PNC?
Post clarity. Well, the good thing, we didn't have to mortgage our house.
Why'd you park it here? I thought we got work to do.
Oh man, we're getting started on it already.
Saturday, you know. Gotta get right to it. We'll get back.
We're gonna make a plan.
So what do you think?
I'm impressed. It's nice. It's probably better than I remember.
That's good. Those are good things. Do you like the wheels?
They're really not horrible.
They're not.
I don't like aftermarket stuff ever, but they're not bad.
We have the originals.
Are they the right size and all that stuff for the gear ratios and the front and rear diff and all that kind of stuff?
We got new tires and wheels.
So these are wrong.
Are they ever right? It doesn't upset the traction control, so that means it's mostly good.
It means it's happy.
At least that's all like easy panels. It's not like the fenders, or it's all good. Headlights are good.
Hey, you don't have to sell it to me.
Uh-oh. Oh yeah, we already did, didn't
It's
we?
already bought. That's a done deal.
Trying to prevent that buyer's remorse.
I think it's a good milestone. It's something we did.
You know, it's like I told you, we worked on a lot of Lambos. We need one of our own. You knew it was coming, didn't you?
It was inevitable.
There it is.
That's all of it.
It's got to come right out. You know, we've done it a bunch. It'll be, 5 hours. It'll be on the floor. We'll just put it right back together, right?
Can we just put valve seals in it?
No.
Valve stem seals, and it'll lose all the whooshy noises and
The whooshy noises are fun.
the power.
Yes.
It'll be down a good bit.
But then it'll be original. It'll be back to normal.
It is, and that's kind of what we do. Buy a car, remove all the BS, put it back the way it belongs.
Make it more better.
They didn't alter much.
No.
As far as they took away the muffler box and the heat shield here.
Yep.
But other than that, everything else is just bolt-on stuff. It's not like they hacked away a cross member or cut up a carbon fiber brace.
No. The intake manifold's original. They didn't make a custom intake or anything. And all they have is like all these tie-in little sensors and stuff, so.
I was checking out one over here. I don't know what it.
There are a good few additionals. Air-to-water intercoolers. What are we gonna put these on?
We got a boat.
Ooh, that'd be good. Twin turbo boat.
Twin turbo Chevy 350.
Ooh, that poor thing.
It'd blow the transom out of it.
Yeah. The E-gear leaks. It's already left. It's left its mark there. It left its mark in the shop. Yeah, it's a
normal thing.
Retaining fluids is not its strong suit, whether out the tailpipe or onto the ground. Well, I think we've cemented that this is a good decision. I think Andy agrees. Before he looks at it any further, we're gonna say this was a good decision. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, and join us on the journey of bringing this LP640 Roadster back to the land of the living.